In line with security tradition, it will be difficult now to give you details. We have to be careful not to reveal any information that will jeopardize what we are doing presently. These characters listen and they watch TV, and by the time we tell you what we are doing, strategy may change. So, work in progress, but I can tell you that by the grace of God, things will be fine. And we've discussed a whole lot of issues. And in the coming weeks, in the implementation of those issues, you will see. And we have all brainstormed, and all the issues that were raised, we are all looking at it to make sure that we are able to secure not just our churches, but also secure our communities, because the issue of community was also a very important issue that were raised. So we are beyond securing our churches and our leaders. We also deliberated on the general public and the communities.
We have just finished our emergency Security Council meeting, and we have reviewed the situation of the moment and the overall security of the state. We have adopted measures that are relevant to the needs of the moment and the needs of the future. And we wish to inform all persons in Edo State and beyond that the government of Edo State is on top of the situation, and people should be reassured once more that in spite of the situation of the moment, the ship of state is under control and the security is stable and well coordinated.
To the church in Edo State, I want us to know that God is on our side, and the government have also taken a decision in standing with the church to deal with this issue and to bring about authentic security of lives, security of profits, and security of the church and everyone in Edo State. And I want to also use this opportunity, even though this has been a very serious attack on the church, we want to particularly commensurate with the entire church community in Edo State